If you make yourself more than just a man, if you devote yourself to an ideal, then you become something else entirely. A legend, Mr. Wayne. A legend.
We were in this together. And then you were gone. Now there's evil rising. The Batman has to come back.
What if he doesn't exist anymore?
He must. He must.